Oh my god, you see all that juice splash out? So the patios are open, all the restaurants are opening up all their windows, and people are coming out. This street is very busy, guys, very loud. It's the main street of Ukraine. First bite of authentic Ukrainian food, guys. I got Ukrainian dumplings. I paid 369 Ukrainian. This one's for a whole supermarket. Look how big it is. I just saw a black guy wearing the Ukrainian army outfit. It's not heavy at all. Not cheap at all, but as you can see, I am on the main street here in Kiev. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Kiev, Ukraine. Guys, today I'm gonna spend a whole day having authentic Ukrainian food. The only authentic Ukrainian food that I have had is borscht, but never in Ukraine itself. So this is gonna be my first time having that here. I'll have that today, but I'm gonna start off with something else. It's basically like a hot dog in fried bread. So there's a famous place here. It's got thousands of reviews. Let me tell you what it's called. It's called Kievska Perepichka. It's basically a hot dog in fried bread. I'm gonna go try that today. This street is very busy, guys, very loud. It's the main street of Ukraine. But anyways, I'm heading to this famous spot to try that right now. Come along with me. Let's go get our first bite of authentic Ukrainian food right here in Ukraine. Spasiba. That was fast, guys. They're already made. And you know what? It's nice and hot. And here's how it looks, guys. I'll tell you the truth, guys. Decent size for the price. Very nice. All right, my first bite of authentic Ukrainian food, guys. So far, it's all dough, but it still tastes good because it's hot. All right, guys, we've made it to the good part, the hot dog. Ooh, hot. Ooh, very hot. Overall, the dough is great, and it's just a regular hot dog inside. It's a great snack on the go. Overall, for street food, I'll give that a solid 7 out of 10, guys. Like, for street food, it's perfect. Quick grab, nice and hot, and extremely affordable. 7 out of 10, easy. Next stop, guys, is right here. Uzata Hata, which serves authentic Ukrainian food. It's been recommended by a lot of people here. So apparently it's actually very affordable too. A lot of people recommended this place. They said it's pretty much all home cooked style Ukrainian food. So hopefully I could find some chicken Kiev. Oh great, it says no filming. Here's my feast. As you guys saw, it says no filming, but I really want to come here, so I came anyways. So I'll show you what I got, guys. So I got borscht. They put sour cream in it already, but I just have to mix it myself. I got greshka, which is a wheat. They use it a lot in the post-Soviet world instead of rice. And then I got Kiev chicken, obviously. I got 2 pieces. I got olovie salad, which is also very famous in the post-Soviet world. I got a very nice looking piece of bread. And I got Ukrainian dumplings. I believe it started with a V. I can't remember what it's called, but she said this is authentic Ukrainian dumplings. And obviously, I needed some carbonated water on the side because this is a lot of food. So if you guys are wondering how much I paid 369 Ukrainian. To be honest, guys, most people that are coming here, they're not ordering as much as me. They're just getting 1 plate and a soup most of the time. Most plates don't have this much food on them. I'm just getting this much food because I want to try some authentic Ukrainian food. Okay, first things first, guys. Let's try this borscht. Mix it all up nicely. Get the sour cream everywhere. Very good. Very good. For those of you that don't know, borscht is a beet type of soup, and it's very healthy for you. And It tastes even better when it's cold outside. Here's how it looks when the sour cream is all mixed. Is it okay to finish the end of your soup like that? Ooh, that was fantastic. Let's get a little taste of this olivier. That's good. Wow. For those of you that don't know, olivier is basically a egg salad with different types of vegetables in it and mayonnaise. Wow. Alright guys, so this is the Kiev chicken. Let's crack it open. Oh my god, you see all that juice splash out? Holy smokes. I'm using one hand, guys, so bear with me. Let's see the inside. That is a good piece of chicken, guys. Wow. See all that juice splash out everywhere? Let's do a taste test of chicken Kiev. You know what I love about it? It's not just all breaded. There's actually like a good amount of chicken inside. Okay guys, so the name is Vareniki. My bad. This one has potatoes in it and they gave me some sour cream on the side. I had this bread. It's basically a garlic bread with, I have no idea what that is on top. I think it's dill, I'm not sure. And what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna grab one like that, do one of these. You see what just happened? Pretty good. It reminds me of a pierogi. Finito. Wow guys, that place was solid. Like solid 8, 8.5 out of 10 I would say. That's where all the locals go, so you know it's a legit place. Like people were coming in and out constantly, like non-stop. Unfortunately, you couldn't film there. I wanted to show you guys how it looks like when you grab the food. It's basically buffet style. Like you grab your tray, you say, give me this, give me this, give me that. And then they weigh it, they put it on your tray, and then you go pay at the end. Pretty much, it's a Ukrainian buffet that has all authentic food. Nothing like no burgers or pizza or any of that stuff. Really good. I don't mind it. Apparently, they have a ton of them scattered all around the city. As I've mentioned before, this is how you cross roads, guys. Many of the crosswalks here, you don't actually cross from the street level. You have to go underground and come up the other way. I was just right over there. I came down, popped back up over here. Now, I continue my walk. As you could see, guys, the weather is getting a little bit better this afternoon, so the patios are open. All the restaurants are opening up all their windows and people are coming out. To be honest, if it wasn't so windy, the weather would be perfect in Kiev. Like when the wind slows down a bit, I actually start sweating. And then when it starts again, I'm like, holy, I'm freezing. Here is a common sight all around Kiev, guys. So basically, because there is power outages here often, everywhere has a generator. Look, even another one. They're all over the place. And if you have a generator, well, it saves you, right? Because you're not gonna lose customers. You're still gonna make money. You could still operate your business or light up your house. And they could be found all over, guys. Over here, across the road over there. Let me see what else we could find. There's another generator right over there. Guys, these generators are massive. They're not like small or anything. Obviously, like the smaller cafes do have the smaller ones, but this one's for a whole supermarket. Look how big it is. Massive. And that's for this, I'm pretty sure it's a supermarket. Novus. Look how big this is, guys. Wow. Wow, what a trip. I just saw a black guy wearing the Ukrainian army outfit. I'm at my final destination. I'm having authentic Ukrainian dessert. I was told the most authentic Ukrainian dessert is a pancake by the name of serniki, which is basically a pancake which you put sour cream all over it. And apparently it tastes really good. I've never had it before, but everybody is telling me that that is the most authentic Ukrainian dessert you could find. Okay guys, here we have it, guys. So I got 3 of the pancakes, so the sernikis. I believe, I don't know what that is. Is that the sour cream? I'm not sure. Looks like they put some cherries on top. And I got myself a nice coffee because I do need to wake up after having all that food. To be honest, I'm probably gonna feel even heavier after having this right now. So I'll either keep eating after this or I'll go back to the hotel room and take a quick siesta. Okay. First bite. First of all, let me see what this is. Yeah, that's sour cream. So I'm gonna try one without sour cream. Ooh. Wow, it's hot. But that's good. Now let me try it with sour cream. Wow. Wow. Much better with the sour cream. You know what, guys? It's not heavy at all. It's extremely light. Wow. My God. Let me give you guys a close-up of what it looks like inside. So here's the price, guys. I paid $197. Not cheap at all, but as you can see, I am on the main street here in Kiev. All right, guys, I am going to close this one out here. I'm stuffed. I need to rest for a bit. I just need to sit down and not move, maybe lay back, maybe a quick little siesta. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's food tour of authentic Ukrainian food. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye from Kiev, Ukraine.